This video is called Multiplying a Decimal Tenth by a Whole Number. So what we have here is 5 4/10 times 3. So from class, we realized that if we do 5 4/10 times 3, or 54 times 3, the digits in the answer are the same. It's just the decimal that changes places. So basically, if you know how to do multiplication without decimals, you know how to do multiplication with decimals. Here's how it works. So we want to make a little note to ourselves of how many decimals we're actually working with. In this case, we have 1 decimal place. So I'm going to make a little note to myself, 1 decimal place. I'm going to put that next to it so I remember. Now, as you get better at this, you can just put 1 in parentheses, or 1 deci, or just a quick reminder that you know it's there. And then I'm going to do my math as usual, except I'm going to actually take off the decimal. So now in this case, I have a dry erase marker so I can erase it, but if you were doing this on a test or a worksheet or something, all you have to do is come over here and rewrite it again. So I'm going to change it to 54 times 3. And because I've practiced so much with my original multiplications, so 2 digit times 1 digit, I already know how to do this. So let's go. 4 times 3 is 12. Put my 1 up there and my 2 down there. And then 3 times 5 is 15, plus 1 is 16. Then I get the answer of 162. Well, that's my answer to 54 times 3, but not my answer to 5 4/10 times 3. So what I need to do is go back to my original question. I'm going to put the digits down there because I know it belongs in the same way. But now I need to ask myself, okay, where does the decimal go? I go back to my reminder, 1 decimal place. Well, I remind myself that if the question has 1 decimal place, so does the answer. So I come down here, 1 decimal place over, it ends up right there. So my answer is 16 2/10. And that is how you multiply decimal tenths by a whole number.